Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechNetish. I hope you all are doing extremely well. In this video we are going to see multiple hiring opportunities for freshers as well as experienced people. So make sure to do subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more hiring updates, placement drives, interview experiences and a lots of more useful stuff for you. Okay, so now let's see what are the job opportunities and for which batch. So the first opportunity is on HackerEarth platform. So Continental is hiring okay, through a coding challenge. So this coding challenge opens at 6th of May yani today and closes at 15th of May. Okay, duration is 2 hours and 30 minutes. From here you can register. I will drop down the link in the description box, so do check. Okay, so here is about your challenge. Okay, so challenge format is 2 programming questions, data structure or algorithm, and 10 MCQs will be there. Eligibility criteria is graduation year 2022. So this opportunity is only for freshers. Only students from the current batch of VE, VTech, 7th or 8th SEM can apply. Academics score 70% throughout academics. 10th 7.4 CGPA or 70% and above. 12th 7.4 CGPA or 70% and above. Engineering till 6th SEM 7.4 CGPA or 7% and above with no active backlogs. BE, VTech specialization in core, electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer science, information technology or engineering. Okay, so if you are eligible, then you can apply for this job. So the next opportunity is from Cerner. Cerner is hiring for system engineer role in and the job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay, so the field is IT. Here is the job description. Here is the working environment. Okay, so here are some qualifications. Basic qualifications are at least 4 years of total combined higher education and related work experience, including bachelor's degree in information system, computer science and engineering, or software engineering or equivalent relevant work experience. Preferred qualifications are good working knowledge of SQL along with working knowledge of Linux scripting knowledge, conceptual knowledge of work experience of server maintenance, memory allocation, good communication, verbal and written. Okay, so this opportunity is not only for freshers, experienced people can also apply. Okay, so if you are eligible, then you can apply for this job. I will put the link in the description box, so make sure to check our description box. So the next opportunity is from SailPoint. SailPoint is hiring for trainee software engineer. This is a full-time job. Okay, so here is a position or designation is trainee software engineer, and job description or responsibilities are required to undergo training in different technologies for few months and then responsible to apply technical knowledge for development, support, maintenance and implement of small to medium non-complex components of a project module. Works on problems of limited scope through usage of standard programming concepts and principles. Works under high supervision or guidance with frequent review of accomplished objectives. Expected to learn the job towards developing domain knowledge along with technical skills. Requires theoretical knowledge of programming languages. Prior experience of academic project in Java, C++, web services, Node.js, JavaScript will be added advantage. Able to write small programs to demonstrate concepts. Okay, so here is a work experience which is required of 0 to 6 months of work experience is required. Okay, so this opportunity is for fresher or for 2021 पास आउट जिसने कि अभी ओनली 6 महीने ही जॉब किया है या जो भी है. आपका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस 6 मंथ्स का ही होना चाहिए मैक्सिमम. फंक्शनल एरियाज IT सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामिंग. ओके, so industry type is software development. Location of job is Pune. Desired profile of the candidate: excellent written and verbal communication skills, should have good theoretical knowledge, should be able to adjust working schedule when necessary to communicate and work with SailPoint offices in US. Basic or UG qualifications are should have university degree in computer science or equivalent degree, BE computers, MCA fresher, CDEC or any equivalent courses are advantage. Okay, so here is PG qualification. Good to have Java or other professional certifications. So if you are eligible, then you can apply for this job. But ध्यान रहे ये job आपको US में करनी होगी. So if you want to go US, then you can apply. Okay, so this is all about this video. So if you like this video, then hit the like button. Also make sure to do subscribe this channel. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.